Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make free energy, and in the next video I will show you the tricks behind this free energy. So we will not waste your time, let's start the project. So friends, to make free energy you must require this following item: a CFL lamp, a 100 dia copper coil, and a permanent magnet. So first of all you have to place the ring magnet at the center as shown in the video. Next you have to place the CFL lamp at the center of the magnet. Now you have to connect this coil with the two terminals of the CFL lamp. You better place the coil from the top as shown in the video. Make it little bit elliptical so that you can fix it. Now install it from the top. And connect the two wires. I make it something wrong. Let insert it again, and now connect the two terminals with the two terminals of the CFL lamp. Now you can see it will start glowing with a single tap. I will show you that there is nothing at the bottom of the plate. On turning your hand it will turn off and again turn on with one tap at the top of the CFL. So let's see what beneath the plate. You can see friends, there is nothing. So how the current is generating and how the CFL lamp is glowing. You can see there is no external power sources provided in this system, but still the CFL lamp is glowing without any energy source. On moving your hand it will turn off, and with a tap it will again turn on. So friends, in this video I have shown you about the free energy. In the next video I will show you about the tricks behind this free energy. So don't forget to subscribe S&D Innovations. Please subscribe this video, and so friend, please subscribe S&D Innovations and help me to increase my subscriber. And don't forget to see the next video to see the actual tricks inside this video. Friends, I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press like button. Help me to increase my subscriber. Thank you.